Hi, my name is Lydia. We just bought our first house, and with the help of Sunny Purwall. I just want to say that Sunny is amazing. I mean, this guy is on point. He is very honest. In everything that he promises he will do, he will get it done. So my message out to everybody out there, whether you're selling or whether you're buying, use Sunny. Sunny is the best way to go. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Whether you're a seller or a buyer, use Sunny Purwall. He is amazing. He is the number one, not just because of media or stuff. He is really number one in what he does.
And my sister has basically said everything. I'm Joe, and again, we just bought our first house together. And when she first called me, told me she met Sunny, and that she called me. I was at work. I picked up the phone, and she told me this guy is the way to go. And she barely knew him, but that first meeting told her a lot about Sunny's interest, which is the client's best interest as well. So again, we're not just saying this because we bought our first house, but we actually mean it. This guy is amazing. You will benefit greatly from getting him. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sunny.
Thank you.
We don't know how to thank you.